how to see chat history on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you see chat history on TikTok. So let's get started. First, you have to open TikTok with your account. Alright, after you open TikTok, you'll get this type of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three lines just at the top right. From here, tap on settings and privacy. And from here, tap on account. From account, tap on download your data. And from here, at the first one, tap on all data. From here, tap on custom. And from here, choose for the options like messages from here. After you choose, tap on done. From the section, as you can select the file format like TXT or JSON. After select file format, tap on request data. Alright, after you made a request, whenever your file is ready for download, it will be available for 4 days. So if you have been submitted another request, your existing file will expire. So from the section, you can easily download or see your chat history on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.